Today we are going to discuss questions of miscellaneous in previous video. So now we are continue on miscellaneous questions. Equal 211 minus 102 013. Then prove that number 1, A transpose to the transpose equal to A. This is your first question. If A equal 211 minus 102 013, then prove that A transpose to the transpose equal to A. Two 111 minus 102 013. Okay, so this is a question. Now the question, and this is also a statement that it is always true that A transpose always A. So what about the solution? We are going to solve this question. What is the solution? It is A is 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3 is given. And what about the A transpose? A transpose means just convert row to column. This is a row and convert into column. 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. It is A transpose. And what about it is A and it is A transpose. What about again A transpose? Just convert in row to column. This is a 2 minus 1 0 1 0 1 1 2 3. What about it? It is 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. So A transpose equal to transpose equal to A. So it is symmetric matrix. So it is proved that A transpose equal to A. So we have proved, hence proved. Okay, so it is sufficient. So this is your question number first. Now we are on question number second. What is the question number second? So is A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. This is a question. So when we are saying about the A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix or not, so we can say that first A is given, and when we are going to solve, we have to prove that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix or not. Then we have to prove A plus A transpose to the transpose equal to A plus A transpose. So when we are saying about a symmetric matrix, you know very well that A transpose equal to A. When we are saying about this, so we can say that A plus A transpose to the transpose equal to this. So this is equal to this. So A plus A transpose equal to A plus A transpose. Now we have to prove this. What about the A? A is 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. And what about the A transpose? A transpose equal to 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. What about the A plus A transpose? When we are saying about the A plus A transpose, it is just a sum of this. So it is 2 plus 2, it is 4, 1 minus 1, it is 0, 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, it is 0, 0 plus 0, it is 0, 2 plus 1, it is 3, 0 plus 1, it is 1, 1 plus 2 means 3, and 3 plus 3 means it is 6. What about it is A plus A transpose? What about A plus A transpose to the power transpose? So just convert row to column. 401 003 136. Is it A plus A transpose equal T? Is it A plus A transpose? 401 003 136. So it is A plus A transpose to the transpose equal to A plus A transpose. So we can say that it is symmetric matrix. So it is symmetric matrix. So it is your answer. This is question number 2, and it is clear now that we can present A plus A transpose to the whole power transpose equal to A plus A transpose. So it is your question and it is your answer. Now we are on question number 3. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. A plus A transpose is a skew. A minus A transpose is the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so this is your next question. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, and we have to solve this question. So we have to prove, now what we have to prove? We have to prove A minus A transpose to the transpose equal to minus A minus A transpose. It is your destination. Okay. Now why we have to prove this? Because when we are saying about the skew symmetric matrix, it is A transpose equal to minus A, so we can say that it is skew symmetric matrix. Now A is given. A is 211 minus 102 013 is same. A transpose is the same. 2 minus 1 0 1 0 1 1 2 3 is the same. Now we are going to find A minus A transpose. So what about 8? A plus A transpose. When we are saying about A minus A transpose, means it is 2 minus 2, it is 0. 1 minus 1 plus 1, it is 2. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Minus 1, it is minus 1 minus 2. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. 1 minus 2 means minus 1. 3 minus 3, it is 0. Okay, so it is A minus A transpose. Now we are going to find A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to, it is 0 to 1 minus 2 0 1 minus 1 0. Take the minus common, so it is minus 0 2 1 minus 2 0 1 minus 1 0. Is it A minus A transpose? 0 to 1 minus 2 0 1 minus 1 0. So we can say that it is A minus A transpose to the transpose equal to minus A minus A transpose. So we can say, so it is skew symmetric matrix. So it is skew symmetric matrix. When we are saying A transpose equal to minus A, so we can say that it is skew symmetric matrix. And A transpose are symmetric matrices. Question is A into A transpose and A transpose are symmetric matrix. You have to read out this question very carefully. When we are saying about the A dot A transpose and A transpose, it is not mean that A plus A into A transpose is equal symmetric matrix to this. These two questions are totally different. Okay, be remember that it is a different question and it is different question. We have to prove that it is symmetric matrix or not. We have to prove that it is skew symmetric matrix or not. Okay, so this is your question. Now first part we are just taking A transpose is symmetric we have to prove A transpose is a symmetric matrix or not. We have to prove A transpose is symmetric matrix or not. So solution is there. A equal, it is 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. It is A. What about A transpose? When we are saying about A transpose, we can say that it is 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. It is 2. So it is A and it is A transpose. Is it A transpose? Is it A 2 1 1? Okay, A transpose to the transpose. We have to prove A transpose is a symmetric matrix. So A transpose to the transpose equal to A. So its transpose is 2 minus 1 0 1 0 1 1 2 3. Is it A? A transpose to the transpose equal to A. Is it A? 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. Okay, it is same. So we can say that it is same. A transpose to the transpose equal to A. So we can say that it is symmetric matrix. So it is symmetric matrix. We have to prove, what we have to prove? A into A transpose to the transpose equal to A into A transpose. Okay, because we are saying that it is symmetric matrix, so we can say that its transpose is equal to this. Now what about the A? A is 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. It is A. What about the A transpose? When we are saying about the A transpose, convert row to column, so it is 2 1 1 minus 1 0 2 0 1 3. Now A into A transpose. A into A transpose. When we are saying about the A into A transpose, we have to just multiply them. So what is the resultant? 2 into 2, it is 4. Minus 1 into 1, it is 1. 1 into 1, it is 1. Now 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. 1 into 0, it is 0. 1 into 2, it is 2. Okay, 2 into 0, 2 into 0, it is 0. 1 into 1, it is 1, and 1 into 3, it is 3. Minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2. Minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2. 0 into 1, it is 0. 2 into 1, it is 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, it is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. 0 into 0, it is 0. 2 into 2, it is 4. Minus 1 into 0, it is 0. 0 into 1, it is 0. 2 into 3, it is 6. 0 into 2, it is 0. 1 into 1, it is 1. 3 into 1, it is 3. 0 into minus 1, it is 0. 1 into 0, it is 0. 3 into 2, it is 6. 0 into 0, it is 0. 1 into 1, it is 1. 3 into 3, it is 9. What about this? This is it is 6. It is 0. It is 4. It is 0. It is 5. It is 6. It is 4. It is 6. it is 10. So it is A into A transpose. To find A into A transpose to the transpose equal to, just convert into row to column. It is 6 0 4 0 5 6 4 6 10. So it is A plus A transpose, A into A transpose to the power transpose equal to, is it A into A transpose? 6 0 4 0 5 6 4 6 10. So we can say that it is A into A transpose. So if its transpose equal to this, so we can say that it is symmetric matrix. So this is your answer. Okay, so this is sufficient for today. We meet in next class. Till that, bye bye.